If you're in your 40s and your hair has started changing, but you haven't hit menopause yet, this video is for you because now is when it starts. I'm a certified trichologist and I've treated over 1,500 women with this exact problem. And this is what nobody is telling you. Hair loss doesn't wait for menopause. It starts during perimenopause, when the hormones begin fluctuating. And it doesn't happen after they've dropped, it happens before. So many women think nothing serious is happening until they touch their hair and they start noticing that it feels thinner or the ponytail is smaller than it used to be. So by the time most women connect the changes to their hormones, they've already lost ground. And that's what nobody is telling you. Here's what's actually happening. During perimenopause, the estrogen levels fluctuate. They don't just drop steadily. So these fluctuations directly affect how your follicles function. Since a follicle is already being disrupted before you ever hit menopause, so that's why many women in their early 40s come to me saying that their hair is starting to feel different and they don't understand and they can't explain why. By the time most women act, they've already lost significant hair density. Not because they weren't paying attention, but because nobody told them that this starts in perimenopause. So early assessment really changes the outcome. What I can do for a perimenopausal patient is very different from what I can do once menopause is established and the hair follicles are already being affected. That's because the follicle is still more responsive during perimenopause. It hasn't been in a disrupted environment long, and that window matters. So when I assess a patient early, I'm looking at what the follicle is still capable of. And that's a very different conversation than trying to recover hair that's been lost for years. Here's what I need you to remember. Hair loss is starting during perimenopause and way before the hormones ever drop. So every moment that you wait, every month that you wait, you're losing density that you don't have to lose. And your follicles are very responsive right now, not after menopause. So that window will close and you don't want to miss it. Subscribe. I post here every week on menopause hair loss. And if you're noticing those early changes, don't wait. Book a virtual consultation. I assess your scalp, review your health history, and create a personalized plan based on your hormones. Link is in the description.